This video is to help with number 3 from homework 9.1 about patterns. And this is kind of a different, goofy, tricky pattern, sort of, because instead of going up by the same amount, it is a pattern, but it goes like +3, then +4, then +5, then +6. So the amount you increase is different each time. All right, and so I'm going to label n and then a sub n are the values. So position 1 is 0, position 2 is 3, position 3 is 7, etc., etc. For a recursive definition, you need two things. You need to lay out the first term, which in this case is just the 0. So we say term 1, a sub 1 is 0. And then you have to lay out the next term, which is called a sub n, and you use the previous term. So that's what this a sub n minus 1 means, is just the previous term. So to get the next term, we have to use the previous term. And what's kind of goofy here is, like, if I wanted to get the sixth term here, right, I would use the previous term, but I would add 7 to continue the pattern. Okay, and then when I do the seventh term, I don't add 7 again, I add a different value, and this time I actually add 8. Okay, so for the seventh term, I added 8. For the sixth term, I added 7. And so if we sort of generalize this, if I was finding the nth term, a sub n, then you would just add 1 more than what n is. So it's n plus 1. All right, so again, for the seventh term, we added 8. For the sixth term, we added 7. For the fifth term, we added 6. So for the nth term, we would add n plus 1. All right, so like letter choice D here is just take the previous term and add 3, which is right in the beginning, but it doesn't continue, right? And so B and C are both pretty close, and the difference is you're not adding n each time, you're adding 1 more than n. Again, the seventh term I added 8, so that's 1 more than n. That's how we get to letter choice B. Your choices might be different order. I think these scramble the answer choices sometime, but anyways, the one that's a sub n plus 1 and a sub n minus 1 plus n plus 1, that's the right answer. All right, thanks for watching.